Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Instagram sign up button not working. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So to fix this issue, what we need to do first is we need to check if there are any issues on the servers for Instagram. So typically you just need to open up any browser here, go ahead and add a new tab. I just want to type in Instagram is it down. Now in this case, once you search for it, choose downdetector.com here. And typically if you see a big spike on the graph here, it means a lot of users are experiencing problems with using the Instagram app. It means that you just need to wait for a few hours for Instagram to automatically fix this issue. Now, in this case, if you don't see spike here, it means it's currently working properly and the issue itself might be yours only. So what we need to do here is we need to actually do a few things. So first things first is you first need to see if you've actually reached the limit for your Instagram account. So typically with every email address that you have on your Instagram account, you are only allowed up to 5 profiles on that specific email account. So it means if you reach this capacity, you will no longer be able to create or sign up with another profile, which is unfortunate. Now in this case, if you haven't reached this threshold, or you haven't created your own Instagram account yet using that email, then the next thing you want to do here is you want to ensure that you're using the latest version of the app. In this case, go ahead and open up Google Play Store here, search for Instagram, and if you see any update buttons in it, go ahead and click on the update button, and once you've updated it, go ahead and see if that solves the issue. Now once that solves once that you are actually able to update your mobile app, what we need to do next is we need to press and hold on Instagram, click on app info, click on the clear data at the bottom right here, and you want to click on clear cache, click on OK. And from here on, go ahead and open up Instagram and see if that solves the issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.